Today I'm going to use a 4-step method to help me tackle this word problem. First, I need to read the problem 2 times. My problem says, Riley makes 475 bracelets. She is going to share them between 5 friends. How many bracelets does each friend get? That's 1. Now I'm going to read it again. Riley makes 475 bracelets. She is going to share them between 5 friends. How many bracelets does each friend get? If I read it 2 times, it helps me understand what the problem is about and helps me focus on key information. Step number 1, I read it 2 times. Now, step number 2 is to find important information and circle or underline it. So it says Riley, that's who my problem is about, and circle her name. And I know she's making 475 bracelets. It tells me she's going to share them between 5 friends. This word share here is really important because it's going to help me figure out what I need to do with that number. My question says, how many bracelets does each friend get? All right, so if I take the word share, I know that that means I'm going to split things up. I've found and underlined important information. Now I'm going to draw a model. Step 3 is to draw a model. So I have 475 bracelets, and I'm splitting those bracelets into 5 groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are all of the friends that Riley is sharing her bracelets between. I could also draw this as a strip diagram. So I know I have 475 as my whole, and I'm splitting that into 5 equal pieces. Both of these models here show me that I'm sharing something or splitting a number up. If a number is being split up or shared, that means that I'm going to divide that number. I drew my model, and that's helped me figure out how to solve. Now, step 4 is to solve and check for understanding. So I have my whole number, 475, and I'm going to divide it by 5 because both of those models showed me that I needed to do that. My long division steps, I write those out so I can remember what to do. All right, so I know 5 cannot go into 4, but 5 can go into 47. 47 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Then I'll subtract, bring down my 5. Now I'm going to see how many times can 5 go into 25. It can fit in 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Then I subtract. I have nothing else to bring down, so I'm finished dividing, and I have no remainder. So I solved that 475 divided by 5 gave me 95. I need to make sure that this answers my question in order to finish. So my question was, how many bracelets does each friend get? Each friend would get 95 bracelets. I know that I've answered my question because this makes sense. If I'm taking a smaller number, or I'm taking a bigger number and breaking it into smaller pieces, then I'm going to have a smaller answer. So if I fill my strip diagram back in, I have 475 broken into 5 pieces would give me 95 bracelets for each friend. I have solved, and I checked for reasonableness. This 4-step method really helped me figure out how to tackle this word problem. Now it's your turn to practice.